Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome concept, and it is without a doubt the most jaw-dropping luxury vehicle ever put on 4 wheels. Or should I say 6 wheels? Yes, this thing has 6 wheels and every single one of them belongs on something this extraordinary. So let us get into it right now. Starting with the exterior, and honestly just looking at this machine from the front is an experience on its own. The entire front fascia is finished in a deep obsidian black with a mirror gloss that is so reflective you can literally see yourself in it. Ferrari has wrapped this motorhome in a body that feels like it belongs at a Formula One paddock rather than a campsite. The front end features a full-width curved panoramic windshield that sweeps dramatically from corner to corner, giving the driver an almost cinematic view of the road ahead. Below that you have a razor-sharp angular LED light strip that forms a bold brow across the face of the vehicle, and underneath that is a carbon fiber front splitter that gives this machine a low aggressive stance even though it is enormous in size. Moving to the sides, and this is where you start to understand the true scale of this vehicle. It stretches roughly 15 meters from front to back, and the roofline curves beautifully downward at the rear like a luxury yacht cutting through water. Along the full length of the passenger side you will find floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows with platinum frames that give you an incredible view into the cabin. Running along the entire body is a 24-karat gold pinstripe coachline that traces every curve and contour of the exterior. The 6 custom alloy wheels are a masterpiece on their own. Each one is a 26-inch turbine design with alternating gloss black and chrome-polished spokes, and they are centered with a gold Ferrari prancing horse cap. The rear of the vehicle is equally stunning with a full-width sequential LED tail light bar that glows a deep scarlet red and a set of quad exhaust outlets finished in brushed titanium. Ferrari has even added the word mark in raised gold lettering across the lower rear panel. Everything about this exterior says this is the most expensive motorhome on the planet, and that message comes through loud and clear. Now stepping inside, and this is where the Ferrari Motorhome completely separates itself from everything else in the world. The moment you walk through the main entrance door, you are greeted by a living lounge that feels like the penthouse suite of a 5-star hotel. There is a curved sectional sofa in full-grain Ferrari red leather with deep button quilting and polished gold nail head trim. Across from it is a 100-inch retractable OLED cinema screen that drops silently from a ceiling vault lined with quilted cream leather and embedded crystal accent lights, creating a starfield effect above your head. The floors are covered in a hand-knotted silk rug, and burl walnut cabinetry runs along both walls with soft touch handles and brushed gold. The kitchen is a fully professional-grade setup with matte black quartz countertops, a 6-burner Wolf induction cooktop, an integrated sub-zero refrigerator, a wine chiller, and a built-in espresso machine. The cabinetry is lacquered in gloss black with a gold channel handle running through every door. There is a deep undermount sink with a swan neck gold faucet and pendant lighting and smoked glass hanging above the prep area. The bedroom is where things get genuinely outrageous. A king-size bed sits centered in the rear sleeping zone with a padded suede headboard that has the Ferrari crest embroidered in gold thread. The linens are 1200 thread count Italian cotton in cream and burgundy, and on either side of the bed are smoked mirror bedside tables with gold bezels. There is an 85-inch OLED television that rises silently from the footboard at the touch of a button. The bathroom completes the picture with a freestanding brushed gold oval bathtub, a frameless glass shower with a ceiling rain head and 6 body jets, and full-wall Calacatta marble with heavy gold veining throughout. The driver cockpit is a story all by itself. It is pure Ferrari in there. The dashboard is wrapped in quilted carbon fiber and Alcantara suede, and in front of the driver you have 3 curved OLED screens forming a complete information arc. The steering wheel is Ferrari red leather with paddle shifters and a gold prancing horse medallion in the center. The seat is a racing bucket in cognac Napa leather with red contrast stitching, and the footwell glows in ambient scarlet LED lighting. Sitting behind that wheel you feel like you are piloting a spaceship, not driving a motorhome. Now talking about performance, and the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome concept is reported to be powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, pushing an estimated 1200 horsepower through all 6 wheels. Ferrari claims it can reach 100 km per hour in under 6 seconds, which is almost impossible to believe for a vehicle this size and weight, but Ferrari has never done anything halfway. The air suspension system adjusts dynamically across all axles, keeping the cabin perfectly level regardless of road surface, and the noise isolation technology inside is so advanced that even at motorway speeds the interior remains almost completely silent. And finally, pricing, and this is the number that makes people stop scrolling. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome concept carries a starting price of approximately $3 million with fully loaded configurations pushing toward $4.5 million depending on customization options. Ferrari is offering bespoke color matching, custom leather embossing, personalized badging, satellite connectivity packages, and even a dedicated Ferrari concierge service for owners. This is not a motorhome. This is a mobile mansion designed by the greatest automotive brand on earth. If you have been watching MH Car Review for a while, you know we do not hype things without reason, but this one genuinely deserves every single word. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe because we have even more incredible vehicles coming to this channel very soon. We will see you in the next one.